In this question, different quantum numbers are given in list 1 and the informations provided by these quantum numbers are given in list 2. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. Quantum numbers are values that describes the properties and behavior of electrons in an atom. It defines the energy, shape and orientations of the orbitals. We have 4 different types of quantum numbers. The first one is principal quantum number denoted by the small letter n. It indicates the main energy level or shell in which the electrons are present. The second one is angular momentum quantum number or azimuthal quantum number represented by the small letter L. This defines the shape of the orbital or subshell and it has the values from 0 to n minus 1. The third one is magnetic quantum number that is denoted by small letter m. It specifies the orientation of the orbital within a given subshell and ranges from minus L to plus L values. The fourth one is spin quantum number. It denotes the spin of electrons present inside the subshell or orbital and it has the values either plus half or minus half. It means the two electrons in an orbital will spin opposite to each other. So from these options, we could see that option D is the correct one.